So for this example, we're going to be evaluating an algebraic expression. And what that means is we are going to determine the value of this expression when we know the value of the variable for it. So you can see we have these two expressions here. We have 6x plus 5x minus 1. And of course it says when x is 3, then we're going to evaluate, figure out what this is then equivalent to. And the same for this one here. So for a here, I'm just going to go ahead and rewrite this. I'm going to write it as 6x, and 6x means 6 times x, plus 5, and the way to read this is 5 times x minus 1. Now we're going to utilize the order of operations, and the order of operations says that we do values or calculate values within grouping symbols first and then work our way outward from there. So I'm just going to replace the variable x here for the given here for 3. So I'm going to rewrite this as 6 times 3. And I'm going to enclose it in parentheses. I like to enclose it in parentheses because it really visualizes it. Here I have 6x. I can see 6x. Plus 5, x is 3, 3 minus 1. So all I did was rewrite this expression here, except I just replaced x with the value of the variable. And then we go ahead and we carry out the arithmetic. Again, the order of operations, we'll do this first. So this becomes 6 times 3 plus 5 times 3 minus 1, and 3 minus 1 is 2. The order of operations says we do the multiplication first as it appears from left to right. 6 times 3, that's 18. And 5 times 2 is 10. We then just go ahead, 18 plus 10, and that comes out to be 28. So what is the value of 6x plus 5 times x minus 1? When the value of the variable x is 3, that's 28. And we'll do the same for b. We have 2x squared plus 4 times 6 times x minus 1 minus 4 all over squared minus 1. So it looks like there's a lot going on here. We have variable exponents here, and we have brackets or grouping symbols within grouping symbols. So again, I'm just going to rewrite it out. 2x squared plus 4 times 6 times x minus 1 minus 4. And then we close off that grouping symbol. And we could say this as overall squared because this is overall being squared. What's in the grouping symbols here, the brackets, minus 1. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite this, except I'm going to be substituting the value of the variable x, which is 2. So I'm going to rewrite this as 2. Again, I'm going to put it in parentheses. 2x, can you see it there? And then this is squared. Plus 4 times 6, x minus 1, x minus 1, minus 4, and then this is all over squared, minus 1. So we have grouping symbols within grouping symbols. So we'll do this first. 2 minus 1 is 1. So I'll rewrite this as 2x squared plus 4 times 6x minus 1. When x is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. Minus 4 all over squared minus 1. Do within the grouping symbol first. 6 times 1, we do the multiplication first. 6 times 1 is 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is 2, so this becomes 2x plus 4. This is now changed to 2 all over squared minus 1. Now, according to the order of operations, we do exponents first. 2 squared, that's 4. So this becomes 2 times 4. 2 squared, that's 4. So this becomes 4 times 4 minus 1. Again, following the order of operations, we'll do the multiplication from left to right as it occurs. 2 times 4 is 8. 4 times 4 is 16. 8 plus 16 minus 1. 8 plus 16 is 24. Minus 1 is 23. So 2x squared plus 4 times 6 times x minus 1 minus 4 all over squared minus 1 when the value of the variable is 2 is 23. And there we go.